Good day, people. Have you ever wondered what is air quality index and also why the price of the fossil fuel in our country is spiking from time to time? Air quality index is a scale which measures the air pollution level which may affect a person's life within a short period of time. And also the price of the fossil fuel in our country keeps spiking from time to time due to its higher demand by our country. Fossil fuel in our country are majorly used for transportation sector. Vehicle which uses petrol and diesel for propel the vehicle emits a lot of emissions such as nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide and also particulate matter. In the year 2005, Malaysia has been declared as a moderately unsafe country because the air pollution level is quite high. And also in the year 2019, the price of the petrol price increases around. To overcome the problem simultaneously, Malaysian government has come out with a lot of strategies. One of them is using public transportation. One of the most common and favorite public transportation in Malaysia is public bus. Similarly, in Kuala Terengganu, a bus named Bus Kita, which is owned by Charles Liga Sendirian Berhad, is the most favorite public transportation among the residents. Almost 57,314 passengers using Bus Kita for their daily travelling. Their charges ranges from Ringgit Malaysia 1 to Ringgit Malaysia 5, which covers 16 hotspot places in Kuala Terengganu and also extra facilities such as air condition and also charging plugs make the bus more favorite among the residents. So, public transportation has been successfully implemented in Kuala Terengganu. Air pollution and also fuel usage still getting worse. It is proven when, according to Charles Liga Sendirian Berhad, the amount spending on diesel increased by a year around 317,054 ringgit Malaysia, where the cost was in the year 2016 it was 144,515 ringgit Malaysia, while in the year 2017 the cost was 176,273 ringgit Malaysia. On the other hand, the concentration of particulate matter at Kuala Terengganu has also increased significantly around 4%, while in the year 2001 the concentration of particulate matter was 50%, where in the year 2010 it was increased about 4%, resulting in 54%. Emission and fuel usage from bus kita cannot be controlled because it solely depends on combustion engine, internal combustion engine. To overcome this, manufacturers have introduced new vehicle topology where hybrid electric vehicles are introduced to replace traditional internal combustion engine based vehicles. Hybrid electric vehicles can be operated using electricity and also fuel to propel the vehicle. Similarly, Bus Kita plug-in hybrid electric bus is introduced in Kuala Terengganu. Bus Kita plug-in hybrid electric bus consists of electric machine, energy storage system and also internal combustion engine. Internal combustion engine is the only component using fuel in the entire system. And also, internal combustion engine only used during rapid acceleration and also when the state of charge of the battery is fully depleted.
Energy storage system is the power source provide electricity to the electric machine. Electric machine is the primary engine to move the vehicle. Energy storage system consists of larger battery pack and ultra capacitor. Also, it can be charged from regenerative braking. In traditional braking system, brake pads produce friction with the brake rotors to slow or stop the vehicle. Additional friction is produced between the slow wheel and the surface of the road. This friction is what turns the car's kinetic energy into heat. With regenerative brakes, on the other hand, the system that drives the vehicle does the majority of the braking. When the driver steps on the brake pedal of an electric or hybrid vehicle, this type of brakes put the vehicle's electric motor into reverse mode, causing it to run backwards, thus slowing the car's wheel. While running backwards, the motor also acts as an electric generator, producing electricity then feed into the vehicle's batteries.
In this study, there are three main steps are involved. First, to determine the parameters and specification of internal combustion engine and bus kita vehicle. Second, to design a model of internal combustion engine components using MATLAB assembly environment. Third, to validate and analyze the internal combustion engine using Advisor. The first step is component sizing. Power requirement of bus kita vehicle is the first step in this project. For find power requirement of bus kita vehicle, parameters such as bus weight, aerodynamic coefficient, rolling resistance, constant acceleration, track coefficient, frontal area of bus, air density, and gravitational force are required. In table 1, It consists of bus kita pickup specification and parameter. The specification and parameters of bus kita we obtain from charge leader sentian bahan. Power requirement of bus kita are determined using this equation. Specification of bus kita are used to substituted into this equation to determine the power requirement of bus kita. By using the power requirement equation and the gradient of Kota Terengganu road is ranges from 0 to 5%, the component sizing of bus kita pickup is done. According to the component sizing of bus kita, the electric machine requires 356.636 kW of power at the gradient of 5% and the peak acceleration of 60 km per hour. On the other hand, the internal combustion engine requires 158.38 kW of power, while the energy storage system requires 87.75 kW of power. Second step in this study is internal combustion engine model development using matrix simulating environment. Power demand or power consumption and speed are the input to get the torque required to get the efficiency of the engine using efficiency map. Using the efficiency gain, the net power and the lost power can be calculated. The fuel consumption and emission of hydrocarbon, carbon monoxide and nitrogen oxide can get by inputting torque and speed to the fuel consumption map and the emission map respectively. This is the model of internal combustion engine for bus kita pickup built using MATLAB simulating environment. The third step in this study is validation of internal combustion engine using Advisor. Advisor is an established vehicle simulator software in the market. Evaluation of the model of bus kita pickup in terms of internal combustion engine validated using Advisor software. The output efficiency, fuel use, and emission of hydrocarbon, carbon monoxide, and nitrogen oxide of internal combustion engine for bus kita to be analyzed.
Advantages of ICE for bus kita P4. First plug-in hybrid electric bus in Malaysia. Similarly, at Johor in the year of 2017, Hino hybrid bus was launched. The difference between these two buses is energy storage system. Bus kita consists of larger energy storage system which can travel up to 70 km in all electric range mode, while bus Hino can't since it is hybrid bus, not plug-in hybrid electric bus. Second, able to reduce air pollution by controlling emission from vehicles. Bus kita use lesser fuel than other vehicles. Internal combustion engine is only used during rapid acceleration and when the charge of the battery fully depleted. Third, able to reduce fuel usage. Since bus kita can travel up to 70 km just in all electric range, the fuel usage is lesser than other vehicles. Fourth, internal combustion engine for bus kita has good commercial potential in market because it use lesser fuel and reduce emission. At the same time, it gives same performance as traditional fully internal combustion engine based vehicles.